Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be going on a marketplace adventure. Now, this is a little bit of a special video because this guy was super sketchy and we wanted to point out to all the red flags that you guys might need to look out for in the future when you go and try to buy a dirt bike off Facebook Marketplace. So we're gonna do a financial breakdown and basically why it would have cost us so much more to buy this dirt bike compared to buying a new dirt bike from the dealership. These are things you guys need to keep in mind and things you should look for when you're buying a dirt bike off Facebook Marketplace as well. Make sure you guys stay to the end of the video. We do a bit of dirt bike riding and go hit some sick trails, and I kind of eat the dust a little bit. So look out for the red flags and have fun watching the video. Another day, another bike. We just pulled up to this guy's house, so
he's waving us down here. Says 1 minute.
A dirt bike. This is the guy's place. This brings me to the first red flag of the video. His house is a wreck. I mean, the neighborhood looks kind of nice. So now we're waiting outside of his house, and we're looking to get a Kawasaki 250F.
2011.
Oh, 5.
Oh. Shit, you're right. I was thinking about the other one, the one that I wanted to trade for.
It's like a half a decade, man. I think he's gonna drive us over to the storage unit. While we're heading over, I wanted to show you guys the pictures that he sent me on our way over there, and also say that these usually go for $3,000, and his was already cheaper at $2,500. We talked him down to $2K. He actually talked himself down to $2K, but
oh really?
yeah, he was just like, the carb's dirty, so I want $25 for it, but I'm gonna give it to you for $2,000. So we're gonna. Yeah. Red flag number 2, he talked his own price down. And he just needs new gaskets. $2,000 is an okay price for it anyways. I think we can sell it, we can have fun, sell it, and probably break even on that anyways, so. Walking you through the video, we already see another red flag that he has too many spare parts in his garage. Pretty quickly, we find the 4th red flag. The bike looks like garbage. Like, you can't tell me that bike looks like the bike he sent me. Here's the real kicker. So the guy earlier knocked off $500 because the carburetor was dirty. Yeah, and that would be fine. However, it doesn't take 17 kicks for a flooded carburetor to start the engine. So red flag number 5, it won't kick on. And then after the ret's already 17 kicks, the guy gave it 15 more.
Can I try?
His trying did not work. We had to bump start it. Red flag number 6, there was just a huge puddle of just unknown liquid. I think it was coolant just sitting on the asphalt from when the previous person came and tried buying this bike, which was maybe 30 minutes prior to us. So about 6 bump starts later, we made the obvious decision to not buy the bike. Here's a summary. On the left, you can see the red flags we stated in the video, and on the right, you see additional red flags we weren't able to capture. Now let's break this down. Let's start with how much part repair would have cost. Based on the condition of everything else on the bike, we can just assume we're gonna need a whole new carburetor. Next, we'll have to replace the super scratched up casing cover that was on the bike, and whenever you take a casing cover off, its best rule of thumb is to replace the gaskets that go with it. Now, since it was leaking coolant, my best assumption is it looked like it was coming out of the water pump, so we're gonna need one of those too. Something we didn't get on camera was the clutch slippage that was happening while we were test riding it, so we would have had to order one of those. As for the fairings we didn't see, we're also going to need those plus their decals. We finished up all the stuff that we immediately saw. However, I think we would have needed a top-end rebuild on this thing, and that was going to run us $1,600. Now add sales tax, and we're sitting around $2,500. But don't forget that we had to pay $2,000 to buy this bike in the first place. Pretty quickly, we're already sitting at $4,500, assuming that everything goes right the first time when we're trying to fix it. We can buy a new 250 on Facebook Marketplace for about $5,500 right now, so this money definitely wouldn't have been worth it. Since we didn't get to buy that bike earlier, we decided to come out here. Super secret hidden riding spot. It's really not that hidden. It's only only the locals know about it. I haven't even been out here before, but he has. So we're gonna go riding. It's pretty lit back here, but ride montage. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. guys stayed to the end, thank you so much. That's all I have for you today. Like and subscribe for more. Peace.